Alright, hey guys, we just got back from our vacation. Sort of a working vacation, working on learning more about gardening and homesteading and those kind of things. So we really enjoyed our time going to the Homesteading Life Conference in Hannibal, Missouri. While we were there, one of the things we picked up was an all-American sun oven, which we're just following the directions for right now to get the inside of it prepped and cleaned. So we'll be able to cook with or without power. And so far so good. We're enjoying getting that set up and trying it out. So we're supposed to be at the Midlothian Market tomorrow, which means that we need to do some harvesting, get some things cleaned up this evening and ready for tomorrow. So we'll do the best that we can to make that happen. My lovely assistant is already out here, and we've got tons of tomatoes to harvest and other items. So she is already out here and hard at work picking all the different kinds of cherry tomatoes.
Taking them off the ground, take them to the chickens.
Some off the ground to go to the chickens. They'll love that. So, are you glad to be home?
A little bit, yeah.
You have a good trip?
It's hot, man. I want some of that Missouri cool weather.
Yeah, that's true. Probably the highest temperature we saw in Missouri was maybe 85-ish.
No, it probably got in the 90s, I'm sure. Didn't it?
Well, not that we saw. I don't know.
It rained the whole time.
It did rain a lot while we were up there. And apparently while we were gone, we had a little rain here because the rain barrels are all full.
They're full?
But we really did enjoy being up there in the cooler weather. And as we got closer to home, we just watched the temperatures go up. And what was it when we got what was the hottest we saw on the way home?
105.
105 when we got into Texas?
No.
Before that?
At the Red River, it was 101.
Yeah, at the Red River, it was 101. We saw it at 105 at a couple of spots. And now it's
100 right on the
It's 100 degrees and 6 o'clock in the evening. So we're trying to take advantage. You can see where the line of the sun is still hitting a lot of the garden over there. And we're going to start working here in the shaded part that's shaded by the trees in our yard. So
look at this. Been gone for a week. The black soldier fly larva. Well, these are the pupa. Anyway.
Great. The chickens are going to love that.
Yep.
That's awesome.
I might be a little bit too many for them. Go see. Let's just look. Hey, ticks. Appetizer for you. Yeah. Come on. Like them? Come on, tick, 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 ticks. See what else. Goodness, poured all those out and I still have a ton more. Hey, tick, tick, ticks. There you go. How are you guys doing, huh? On the other side? Here. Good. Come on, tick, 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 ticks. Come on, tick, ticks. Gotta take some to your friends. Come on. Don't forget the tomatoes, huh? Are they tasty? Come on. You want some over here? Scaredy chickens. Chickenest chickens ever. you want some too? There you go. Yep. Oh, that was a good tomato, huh? Okay. Still have creepy crawly. Grasshoppers are awful. Hey, tick, tick, ticks. Hey, chicks. Look. Some black soldier fly. Nemminess. Oh my goodness gracious. You girls. What's wrong with you? Your feathers are... My red hens have something going on with them. Hey, you want some? Come on, girls. What are you in here for? Phyllis. Phyllis. Oh my goodness. Here, Phyllis. Come on, Phyllis. Hurry up. Don't think about it too long. Oh, look. You thought about it too long, Phyllis. Phyllis, faker. I don't think you ate that. Water's good. You like that tomato? Yeah. Okay. Your feathers look awful. Nice chicken. What's wrong with you? Let's see if the babies will eat some of these. Okay. Okay. Oh, you don't look good either. What is with you? Here. There, now, see, that's another thing. I give you food, you come back. Okay, yep, we're gonna go see the babies. Need a few more? Yeah, babies don't need that many, do they? There you go. Babies don't know what these are. Hey, babies. Hey, baby peeps. Hey. Let's see what they do. Hey, baby peeps. Speckle. There you go. Goodness. Oh my goodness gracious, you girls. You lighten in the shade of the day. I know it's hot, isn't it? The shocker nonsense is so much bigger than the other ones. Get over. Here you go. Some in here so you can. Come on, chicks, look. There's some protein for you. Protein packed goodness. Uh-oh, sorry. I don't know what to do with them. Yeah, look, they're in your feeder. Okay, you guys will have to figure them out. Good for you. Think about it. Silly girls. Think about it. You all still look like girls, so that's a good thing. So far, so good. Okay.